Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two of the top business software platforms, ZOHO and ODOO, and find out which one is better in 2024. Let's get started. First, let's talk about ZOHO. ZOHO is a cloud-based business suite with over 40 apps covering everything from CRM, accounting, project management to marketing and HR. It's known for its user-friendly interface, and it's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable all-in-one platform. ZOHO integrates seamlessly across its app, making it easy to manage your business from one place. Plus, in 2024, ZOHO has enhanced its AI-driven automation tools, making workflows even smoother. Now let's take a look at ODOO. ODOO is an open-source ERP that offers a lot of customization and flexibility. Like ZOHO, ODOO has a wide range of modules, including sales, inventory, accounting, and manufacturing. One big advantage of ODOO in 2024 is its modular approach. You can start with a few apps and add more as your business grows. ODOO is great if you want to tailor your system to your exact needs, but it may require more technical resources for customization. So which platform is better in 2024? Well, if you want an out-of-the-box solution that's affordable, easy to set up, and great for small to medium-sized businesses, ZOHO is a fantastic choice. But if you need more flexibility and don't mind a bit of customization, ODOO might be the better option, especially for businesses that are growing or have specific operational needs.